Are you looking for a trustworthy partner for dumpster rental in Kings Mountain, North Carolina? In the heart of Kings Mountain, North Carolina, where community values and reliable services intersect, lies the solution to your waste management needs. Bowen's Dumpster Services. From residential renovations to commercial construction projects, we offer a range of dumpster sizes to suit your specific needs. Our pristine, well-maintained dumpsters ensure functionality and aesthetics, blending seamlessly into your surroundings. At Bowen's Dumpster Services, we understand the importance of reliability and professionalism. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing prompt, courteous service, ensuring that your project stays on track and budget. With a deep understanding of Kings Mountain's regulations and community values, we take pride in being a locally owned and operated business. When you choose Bowen's Dumpster Services, you're not just renting a dumpster, you're investing in a partnership built on trust and integrity. We have a dedicated hotline at 781-593-5308 and a user-friendly website at www.bowensdumpsterservices.com. Dumpster Rental Kings Mountain, NC, making connecting with us easy. For dependable dumpster rental in Kings Mountain, North Carolina, trust Bowen's Dumpster Services to deliver excellence every step of the way.